step po is magda-download po muna tayo ng Composer. Which is na-download na po namin kanina kasi po nag-try po kami. And then once you na-download na po yun, magsa-search po kayo ng Laravel. And get started. Hanapin po natin yung ito po, installer. And i-copy lang po natin. And run as administrator. And yung kinopy nyo po is i-paste nyo lang po dyan. Nakikapit po ako ng laptop, sir, kasi po naglalag po yung laptop ko dun sa OBS recorder. And na-install na po namin siya kanina. Kapag po hindi mo pa po na-install yan, marami pong lalabas na installing etc. dyan. And then once yung na-download na po yan, explain MVC architecture. MVC stands for Model View Controller, which is a design pattern used in software development to separate an application into 3 interconnected components. Model represents the data and the business logic of the application. It manages the data, responds to requests for information, and updates itself when data changes. Yung view naman po is responsible for displaying the data to the user, and it presents the model's data in a user-friendly format and handles user interface elements. And the last one po is the controller. It acts as an intermediary between the model and the view. It processes user inputs like clicks or keyboard inputs, updates the model based on these inputs, and then updates the view accordingly.